Hi everyone, I'm Talia with Ace Displays. While trade shows are exciting and full of opportunities, they can also be long, hectic, and unpredictable. Whether it's a minor booth issue, a tech hiccup, or just the need to power through a long day, having the right gear on hand can make all the difference. That's where your trade show survival kit comes in. In today's Ace Tips, I'll walk you through exactly what to pack so you and your booth are prepared for everything the event can throw your way. Essentials for you and your team. Let's start with the basics. When you're on your feet all day, comfort and quick fixes really matter. Here's a few things I recommend. Refillable water bottle. Staying hydrated is key for energy and focus. Healthy snacks. Nuts, granola bars, or fruit can give you quick fuel between meals. Comfortable shoes and blister prevention. If your feet hurt, your day gets a lot longer. Pack bandages just in case. Pain relievers. Aspirin, ibuprofen, or your preferred remedy for any headaches and aches. Hand sanitizer and tissues. Keep things hygienic, especially during high traffic events. Last and most important, breath mints or gum. You'll be talking to a lot of people all day, and fresh breath really matters. All these items keep you comfortable and ready to engage from the moment the doors open until the lights go out. Now, let's talk about booth and display emergency tools. Even the best booth setups sometimes need quick fixes. Having the right tools can save you from stress and downtime. In your kit, include a multi-tool or a small toolkit. Screwdrivers, wrenches, and scissors cover most small repairs. Gaffer's tape. Strong enough to hold, but safe enough to remove without damaging any surfaces. Extension cords and power strips. Outlets are not always close by, so bring your own reach. Zip ties, perfect for securing cables or making quick adjustments. Extra light bulbs or batteries. Keep displays and lighting working without interruption. Touch-up supplies. Cleaning wipes, lint rollers, and microfiber cloths keep graphics and counters looking sharp. These items might not seem exciting, but when you need them, you'll be glad you packed them. Next up, marketing and business materials. Your booth isn't just about looking good, it's about making connections. Be sure your survival kit has everything you need to capture leads and share your brand. That means extra business cards or a QR code. Not everyone goes digital, so make sure you have both options. Lead capture tools. You'll need a tablet, badge scanner, or other tech to collect contact info. A few printed materials or product sheets. Even if most of your resources are digital, some attendees still prefer something tangible. Branded pens and notepads, handy for taking notes or sending visitors away with something useful. Giveaways or swag replenishments. Always have extra on hand so you never run out. Tech and connectivity backup. We rely on tech more than ever, so a dead battery or a weak signal can really slow down booth activity. I would recommend packing portable chargers or power banks, so phones, tablets, and scanners are powered all day. Spare charging cables for every type of device your team uses also come in handy. And if the venue's internet is spotty, a Wi-Fi hotspot or a backup internet option could help you continue to run demos and process transactions. It's also good to have a USB drive with booth graphics and presentations. If a file gets corrupted or lost, you'll have a backup ready to go. Last but not least, think about the organization and storage of your survival kit so it's easy to use on site. Here are a few things that can help. Rolling bin or tote, easy to transport and keeps everything together. Labeled storage bags or pouches so you can find things quickly in a busy booth. Compact first aid kit, bandages, wipes, and other small essentials. A printed checklist helps you restock between shows and ensure nothing is forgotten. To recap, your trade show survival kit should include personal comfort items to keep you energized and ready to connect, booth repair tools to help you handle small emergencies on the spot, marketing materials so you can make the most of every lead, tech backups to keep things running smoothly, and organization tools to help you manage it all efficiently. With these essentials on hand, you'll be prepared to handle almost anything that comes your way so you can focus on what really matters, making connections and showing off your brand. If you need help creating a booth setup that's as reliable as your survival kit, reach out to our displays experts. We can help you choose displays that look great, perform flawlessly, and make setup a lot easier.